Here's a pair of the TOZO NC9 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's go to the Bluetooth settings on your Samsung TV. Okay, with this model here, I'm just going to press on the home button. And then I'm going to go down here. I'm going to go left and I'm going to go down to settings right there. I'm going to click on settings. And then I'm just going to go to all settings right there. Then on the left side here, I'm going to go down to sound. Okay on the remote. Now you see sound output says TV speaker. So I don't want the audio come out of TV speakers. We want it to come out of these earbuds. So I'm going to go ahead and select sound output right there. And now we're going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list right there. Select that. Now it's scanning for Bluetooth devices, okay? So now we got to put this into pairing mode, okay? So the buds are in here. Let me open these up. Now, if you get two lights blinking simultaneously together, it's in pairing mode, okay? But mine stopped here. So mine's not in pairing mode because I think I'm connected to another device, another TV. So I have to manually put this into pairing mode. So there's a button on the back here. So you can see that button right there. Make sure the buds are in, the lid's open. I'm going to press and hold that button until the white light blinks simultaneously on both sides, okay? So here's that button, ready, press and hold. Just keep holding, wait, still holding, let go quickly, okay? Now it's blinking. It's in pairing mode. White, 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 white. Okay, you don't want to hold that button too long or you're going to reset it. So now let's go back to the TV here. And what we have to do is rescan again because the scanning only does it for so long. So let me go to Bluetooth speaker list again. Okay, so we are in pairing mode here. So now we got to find the NC9. Hey, what do you know? TOZO NC9. So these need pairing. My first time connecting to this TV here. So I'm going to select on that. Pair and connect. Click on OK on the remote and give it 1 second here. And it says the NC9 is connected. And I just OK on the remote right there. And if I scroll up, you can see that it says connected, okay? By other ones, you see it says paired, but we are connected right now to these TOZOs. So now we're reconnected, and I'm decreasing the volume from the earbuds. So we're up and running. Now, if you guys had any kind of issues pairing or connecting problems, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.